Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel your order in Uber Eats. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Uber Eats app. So once you tap open your Uber Eats app, you need to simply order a stuff first. So once you have ordered your stuff, you need to simply tap on your cart and view your basket, then simply go to checkout and proceed to payment. So now if you want to cancel something that you have already ordered, all you need to do is simply come back and tap on the order section, and once you have tapped on the ordered section, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now once you're in this interface, you can find the option called cancel order right besides your order. So once you simply go to there and simply tap it, you need to tap on cancel order. Now you should make sure that even if you are canceling some orders, you will be charged off your bill, because Uber has a cancellation policy that you have to pay for the cancelled orders if they are already prepared. I hope you liked the video, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.